Hey folks, well after about 5 hours of frustration at Barber Park, I decided to head home, and I stopped by the ball field where I found those 4 dimes at the construction site, and I noticed there's more earthwork going on, so I had to stop in and hit it. And I've already dug a wheat penny, and where did it go? Oh, there it is. Woo! Beautiful mark. Yeah, it wasn't too shallow. It is down in the hole a little ways, but one more silver. Alright folks, well, it looks like I got one more dime. This one was a really crazy signal. I got a pinpoint here, and the hole was dry. Got a pinpoint here, and it still wasn't in the hole. Had to use my probe, and it wound up being back like that. But I just got it out. And I haven't even pulled it up to look at it yet. So let's see what we got. Look at that. Another mark. And unfortunately it's got some damage, but that's okay. It's one more for the pile. Alright folks, here's one more, and I'm going to say this is really difficult to pinpoint, because we have iron here, we have iron here, and we have something probably aluminum right here. But there it is. Let's see, focus. Oh, it looks like yep, Roosevelt. Alright, and the crazy thing is you can see the construction, the digging they've been doing. I know, I just searched this a couple days ago. Somehow I missed it. Let's see what else there is. Stay tuned. Alright, I just got one more. This is an area that again has been torn down by the construction, and it's about, I don't know if you can say that, 5 inches, but I just popped it out. Alright, 1948. Whew. Maybe there's more here yet. Let's keep going. Alright, these are all my finds from the last couple hunts. These are all the pennies, quarters, nickels, dimes. This is a cool little brachiopod fossil I found in the dirt on one of the digs. This is a little handmade copper bracelet. Pretty small, but it was pretty neat. These are all my these are good finds. The wheat pennies and of course the silver dimes. The 2 Mercs and 2 Roosevelts. Alright, thanks for watching. Join me next time. Maybe we'll find some more silver.